prefer to live in Lyon, France. So the first question for you, Leigh, why Lyon? And on the white area, the door is open. That means on the blue, where we don't want the stick, the piece of stick on the table, because the Lyonnaise technique, okay, it's you have to use special glue to start the first printing. So, this is very important screen. Why? You know the finishing scarf, you see? On this design we have 11 screens. That means the next 10 screens, Sebastian will add a line. And at least we will check at the end of the process. If there is one color. So, this design, normally when you buy this design in the store, is 21 colors. A set of screens, especially for Singapore. And we have got many motifs on the same screen to reduce it until 11. And we have chosen a very, very simple design because it's only flat colors, you know. So easy to dry, to print this one. You know, look at the face. Okay? So this one is too technical to be printed in such a demonstration. So that's why very short is to make a scarf, the work of the printer, Sebastian. So, madam, are you okay with the red? Is the red inside the outline, yes or no? Just if there is any mistake, you have to tell him. You know, under the table, I have a whip. If there's any problem, okay. So, scarf called Wild Singapore. Wow, with the nature, with the animals. You know this design? You get it? Oh, you are lucky you get the problem. So, you know, so it takes approximately 6 months to tell a story on a paper. Then Paris will send us the design. And from the design, in Lyon, with our know-how, we'll control all the steps of the process until the delivery to Paris. That's why the second step of the process is the work of engraving by hand on the tablet. And then by a photographic process, by using light, she will create as many screens as colors on the design. 40 colors on the design, she will create 40 screens. 32 colors, 32 screens. 6 months or so for her. So you see. And then you'll see Sebastian will use the screen. So of course the accurate. That's a secret. Probably after one bottle of champagne, you would say. Bottle of champagne. Sebastian, 33 for me. You want to know? 3 bottles. Of course, I have to offer champagne to my friends, to my audience. So, that's Hermès. You know when you start with Hermès, but you never know in the finish. That's why there is no turnover in our métier. So, the question is engraving. Now the first step is the colors. So the colors, it's many sequence. But I can tell you that we create by ourselves kitchen. Okay? So we use powder dyes, you know? It's water-based. And then I will add vegetal gum. You know gum Arabic gum. Voilà. Here you have another range of colors. Here you have another harmony of colors, you know. You see, with the same set of screen, because it's always the same set of screen. No, that's interesting, you know. That means that okay, everything is under control. But of course here it's only demonstration. So don't Sebastian select the squeegee. Probably for you they are all the same, not for him, you see. The higher of the rubber is different, you see. This one very, very strong, and this one very, very smooth. Okay? So he will select, if you compare with this one, very liquid, one time to retire will arrive, he knows that he has to transmit his knowledge before leaving. That's the contract with Hermès. So, but you have to multiply by 10 because of the colors, you know. So, yeah, each design around 8 to 10 different colors here. Alors, how many designers? So, Paris, our artistic manager, he was one. This designer, he lives in Japan. This one, Yann Batik, he lives in Paris. Alice Shirley, she lives in London. You know, they are all over the world. I use my whip. Oh, I love exceptionnel. It's called Parure de Samouraï. Here, cotton, 20 screen, 40 screen, you know. Don't buy the silk we need to use. We produce the silk by ourselves in Lyon. And it's another métier, okay? So, I'm sure that everyone here knows the story of the butterfly. You did not know, madame, that we obtained the silk from a butterfly. You did not know that. We leaves, yes, but you have to be precise. What? And then of course he will eat and he will grow. You have to remind. From the birthday to the adult side is 5 centimeters. The length will be multiplied by 40 and the weight multiplied by 10,000. Can you imagine 10,000? That's amazing. So then this worm will stop eating very fat. So then we have to brush the cocoon. We have to brush the cocoon. See? I just give the answer. 1,000, you don't listen to me. My friend, on meters, please. Oh, yes, on meters, but the length, the longueur. How many meters? 100 meters. It's more. You don't have enough space on your phone, and you will delay, and you will forget, Sebastian. So if you put your iPhone on the bag, and if you look at him, believe me, you'll never forget him. We use 300 cocoon. And 300 cocoon is 450 kilometers. The weave is very, very tight because we use kilometers of thread. So at least we will obtain a seal. So now you understand exclusive design, exclusive colors, exclusive silk, and exclusive Sebastian. If you wear twilly, it's the same. We have many, many twilly, different strap, the same technique, always flat. So Sebastian will concentrate on the last screen. So you remind if the 10 first are okay, if you make a mistake on the last one, that will be dramatic. So now, the show of Sebastian is finished, but the scarf is not finished. Okay? Then quality control. Then, on your opinion, what will be the next step after printing? What did we do after printing? Colors, which are on the top to go inside the fiber. That way, after the printing, there is a fixing. Are you okay? So thanks. It's not champagne, so you can take your bottle. See, if you touch the silk, You see, you can touch the silk. So, you will understand. So, is it softer? So please, then you will understand. And the way to wash, to rinse them, to wash them, is to take out the excess of gum. And then we make the silk softer. So, printing, fixing, washing, what will be the next step?
Try it.
Madam, a good dry cleaner. So, printing, washing, fixing, drying, quality control. What will be the next step, madam? Allez-y. Voila. So, but before we have to cut them, of course, because the piece of silk 100 meters. So then I will have to cut. And then I will make the stitching. So who can tell me which size did we use? Voila. And the way to roll front to back. Oh, front to back is a European country with the know-how of the silk. Can you tell? Aye, aye, aye. Oh, yeah. That's for, okay. That's for us because we are inside the house. 26, 33, Jean-Pierre 50. For us, Hermès is before a quality house. Before being a luxury house. On your iPhone, you stop shopping and now you never forget the work of Sebastian. Ils s'en foutent, elle est pareil.